Hey everyone, I am MrHelper. Today I am going to show you how to run your Minecraft in Fullscreen Borderless windowed mode. In this video I have explained 5 different methods to run your Minecraft in Fullscreen Borderless windowed mode. Method 1, Method 2 are for those of you who don't mind having border in their Minecraft. Method 3, Method 4 and Method 5 are for those of you who really want Fullscreen Borderless windowed mode of Minecraft. Method 4 and Method 5 will be very beneficiary for those of you who like to play Minecraft on their live stream or who like to record their Minecraft gameplays or those of you who like to do multitasking while playing Minecraft. Okay, so before we start, let me tell you this first. This video will be quite long, okay, because I am explaining all the steps in very detail. So before asking any question, please do me a favor, watch this video completely and then ask me. So let's proceed. Okay, so this is method 1. In method 1, what you have to do is open your Minecraft. Okay, as you can see, at the time of this recording, my Minecraft version was 1.16.5. So if you're watching this video after 2-3 months, this version will gonna change, okay? But if you are using the older version of Minecraft, then this method 1 and method 2 might not work for you. You should follow method 3, method 4 and method 5, okay? So what you have to do is go to options, click on video settings and right over here full screen is on, turn it off. Okay, so as you can see our Minecraft is in windowed mode now. If you want you can do multitasking also. Let me show you. As you can see my Minecraft is running at the background and I can write, I can open any application whichever I want. In this case I have opened my, notepad. Okay, as you can see it is working. Okay, so let's proceed to method 2. Okay, so this is method 2. The first thing you have to do is open your Minecraft. Okay, as you can see I am using the Minecraft version 1.16.5. If you are using the older version, this process will not gonna work for you, maybe, I'm not sure. Okay, so what you have to do is press F11 on your keyboard and as you can see I am in windowed mode now. I can do multitasking also. Okay, here it is. Okay, so this is method 2. Now the next method, method 3 will be how to play your Minecraft in windowed mode but in full screen with borderless one. This will be removed, it will be full screen. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so this is method 3. First thing, make sure that your Minecraft is not running right now. If your Minecraft is running, then close it. Once you close it, open your Minecraft launcher. Now click on installations over here. Now click on new installation and name it as BDless. It doesn't matter what you write, okay? It is just to remind you that you have made some changes in your Minecraft game, okay? Now leave it as it is, version should be as it is, same thing with the game directory. Now over here, resolution, click over here and select 1920 by 1080. Wait, if you don't know what is your resolution, display resolution, let me show you how to find your system resolution. Right click on your desktop, click on display settings. Okay, so as you can see my display resolution is 2560 by 1080, but I don't like to play my games on my first screen. I love to play my game on my second screen, which is 1920 by 1080. So that's why I have added 1920 by 1080. Okay, close this one. Okay, now click on more options, copy this one, Ctrl A to select all, Ctrl C to copy, minimize this Minecraft launcher. Right click on your desktop, move your mouse over new, then click on text document, open it, paste it and Ctrl plus S to save the file. Okay, I am just asking you to do this just because if something went wrong you can roll back to same settings, to its original settings, that's why. It is just a backup one. Okay, so close it. Now what you have to do is check the description box below. Under download link section you will going to find my website link. My website link will be something like this. www.iammrhelper.com/windows/windows game/mojang studio/minecraft. Link will be quite long. Okay, so open it. Okay, once you open my website, now open your notepad, right click and paste the command that we have just copied from here. Okay, now what you have to do is, on my website there will be a command section over here. Okay, copy this command, then paste it over here at the end. Okay, paste it over here, and as you can see, let me show you properly. There is a space between this one. Okay, hyphen, there's a space between hyphen over here. There's no space, there's no two space or no space, there's only one space over here. So please add the space properly. Okay, now Ctrl A, copy it, minimize the browser and open the launcher. Ctrl A, clear all the things, press Ctrl V. Now click on create. Now what you have to do is click on play, change the settings, change from latest to BD-less. Okay, we have named it as BD-less. Okay, now click on play. Okay, once your Minecraft is opened, click on options, click on video settings and turn it off. Okay, and now quit the game and run your Minecraft once again. I know this is quite complicated, but this will really gonna work. Okay, so please follow the steps properly. This is why I said this video will be quite long. Once again open the BD-less, click on play. Okay, now our Minecraft is launched properly. There's no error at all. So as you can see, now I can write whatever I want to write over here, and it is not in windowed mode. It is in windowed mode, but there's no border over here, right? But there's one problem over here, that our Minecraft is not not in full screen, which I'm gonna show you how to fix it in method 4. This is method 3. Okay, as you can see I'm able to write everything whichever I want to while playing the game. Okay, so let's proceed for method 4. Method 4 is the amazing one, to be honest. Among all the methods, method 4 is the amazing one. Okay, so this is method 4, and before we proceed, we have to do some changes in our Minecraft launcher, which we have done in method 3. Open your Minecraft launcher. Now click on installations and now delete this one. Okay, delete it. Now close your Minecraft launcher. Okay guys, before we continue this method 4, I want to tell you this. I have a second channel named as Spapno, and I go live at Twitch as well as on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel link is youtube.com/Spapno and my Twitch channel link is twitch.tv/Spapno. So please do me a favor, subscribe me on my YouTube channel and follow me on Twitch. And if you want to show me your full support, then please check the description box below. There will be all the social website links of my second channel Spapno. So please do check it out. Okay, so that's been said, let's complete method 4. What you have to do is open my website once again. If you hadn't opened my website yet, then please check the download link section. There will be my website link. Okay, link will be quite long, but the domain name will be www.iammrhelper.com/windows/windows game mojang minecraft. Quite long. Okay, open the link. Okay, once you open my website, there will be a download link section over here. There will be 2 links, but at the moment we are interested in borderless Minecraft. Okay, so as you can see at the left bottom of my screen, it is a GitHub website link, and if you don't trust me, then this is the perfect time to leave. You should leave the video right now, because if I explain anything more, you will call me a scammer. To be honest, github.com is not a scam link or anything like that. If you think it's a scam link, then what should I say? Just open the link, okay, and click on release. This is the latest one. Click on release, and here's the exe file. You don't have to install this file at all. Okay, if you want to install, you cannot do that. It is not an installation file. Okay, click on download. Click over here to download it, and it is 41 KB only. Okay, now drag and drop it here. I understand the things you are concerned about, the virus, malware, adverse. I am too. So that's why we have to first scan our file with our antivirus. Okay? No malware found. It is good for you. Okay? Now what you have to do is open your Minecraft. Okay, in case if your Minecraft open in full screen like this, then what you have to do is click on options, click on video settings and turn this full screen off. Okay, we want this border. Okay, once we got the border, minimize it, make sure it is in maximized mode. Okay, maximize mode, it is not like this. Okay, make it maximize. Now minimize it, open the program that we have just downloaded. Now right over here, it will automatically gonna detect your Minecraft is running. Simply click on go borderless. Okay, now click on done, and let me open my notepad. As you can see, method 04 worked. Okay, so now you can play your game and it is a borderless one. As you can see, there is no border at all. Okay, so this is a method 4. This is how you can run your game in borderless, run your Minecraft in borderless in full screen. And the next method, the method 5, will be very complicated. So if you are interested for that, then please make sure to focus on the video properly, because if you make a small mistakes, it will not gonna work. Okay, so let's proceed to method 5. Okay, so this is method 5. This is the last method. What you have to do is check the description box below. There will be a download link section. Under download link section, you will going to find my website link. Website link will be something like www.iammrhelper.com/windows/windows game Mojang Studio Minecraft. Link will be quite long. If you close my website, then open it. Okay, if you hadn't closed it, it's okay. So once you open my website, there will be a second link named as Win Explorer. In this case, I don't know about this website, although I have not seen any complaint regarding this website. So for me, I trust this website. If you don't trust this website, don't follow this method 5. Method 4 was quite good. You can follow this method also, which I have explained in last method, method 4. But this is an advanced one. So if you follow this method, it is okay, don't worry. It's not like I'm providing any scam links or anything like that. No virus at all. I will gonna show you it's not containing any virus. But still, if you're concerned about virus, then what should I say? Because I never used this website, I have no idea about this website, so I cannot be 100% sure that this website is not providing any virus. But at the moment, this website is not providing at all. Okay, so open the link, scroll down and click on download Win Explorer. It is 84 KB. Okay, so this is .zip file. Okay, zip file. Okay, close it. Guys, I forgot to mention one thing. Before you follow this method, you must close your Minecraft. Okay, so if your Minecraft is closed, it is okay. If it's not closed, close it. Now open the Minecraft. I have asked you to close the Minecraft and reopen it just because in method 4 we have done some modification. That's why. If you hadn't followed method 4, then you don't have to close your Minecraft at all. Okay. In case if your Minecraft open in a full screen, then what you have to do is click on options, click on video settings and make sure full screen is off. Okay. And maximize it. It is not, make sure it is not a small window. It's not playing in a small window. Make it maximized. Okay, now get back to home screen. Okay, now minimize the game, right click on the file, then move your mouse over open with, then click on choose another app. Now select file explorer, click on OK. Now create a new folder over here, move your mouse over new, then click on folder. Now open the folder and drag and drop these files over here. Okay, now close the folder. Okay. Now, first thing we will gonna do is scan the file. Does this file contain any virus or not? Okay, so there's no virus at all. Okay, at the moment there's no virus. Okay, now open the folder and open winexp.exe. Open it. Now open your Minecraft, and what you have to do is scroll down and try to find Minecraft over here. Okay, select it. Now click on style. Please keep eye on this border. Okay, this border. Uncheck all the left side ones. Don't make any modification over here. On the right side, uncheck all of this. And as you can see, something changed right now, right? But still there's some more modification to do. Uncheck all of this. Okay, now go to your desktop. Okay, go to your desktop. Right click on display settings. Okay, now in my case I like to play my games on my second screen. My first screen resolution is 2560 by 1080, but I love to play my games in my second screen, and which is okay. My display resolution is 1920 by 1080. So open the program, Win Explorer, click on size and position. On left side, from whatever it is over there, over here, change it to 0. Same thing with the top, change it to 0. Now at width, you have to type 1920. In my case it is 1920. Okay, just type the resolution, and over here height will be 1080. Okay, now you can close this one and click on modify. Okay, now you can see that our Minecraft is running at full screen without any border at all. We can do multitasking also. Here it is, method 5 worked. So these are all the methods that I have explained, and it will gonna work in method 1. 2 will not gonna work if you are using the older version other than Minecraft 1.165. But method 3, method 4 and method 5 will definitely gonna work. It doesn't matter which version you are using, your Minecraft version is. Okay, so yeah, okay guys, before we go, let me remind you, I have a second channel named as Spapno, and I go live at Twitch as well as on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel link is youtube.com/Spapno, and my Twitch channel link is twitch.tv/Spapno. So please guys, do me a favor, go to my YouTube channel, subscribe me over there, follow me on Twitch. Okay, and if you want to show your full support to me, then you can check the description box below. There will be all the social website links of my second channel Spapno, so please do check it out. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. It's time to say goodbye. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.